Hey, hello and welcome to another video. Yeah, it's Easter. I just changed my tires. I hope the Easter bunny got you a lot of chocolate eggs. For me, he found dirty wheels, schmutzige Felgen, which I'll clean now before I put them into storage. I'll show you how to do this without water and very effective. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Let's go. In the inside of my wheels, meine Felgen, I get them from going very dirty to going very clean. In a situation where you're, for example, in your garden or on your balcony and you have no water access. What I've used last year was a waterless spray, waterless cleaner. But I noticed that I was unable to get, let's say, tar spots out, like these ones, like heavy dirt. It wouldn't go out properly. So I thought, why don't I go online? And I went to get Berna Bremsenreiniger. It's basically a brake cleaner. When I spray, I keep it far away from the rubber of the tires. I just spray a bit here on this towel, which I'll show you right now. I dumped this can here. I went for this one because it was cheap and got good reviews on Amazon. There you go. I spray a bit on the towel and make sure you wear gloves. This really smells. And then I just go with the damp towel here in the Felgen, in the alloy wheels, and I just start agitating the surface and rubbing it. And especially here where you have these tough spots, as you can see, I go a bit extra, and they just come off immediately. And what's so good about this stuff is that it's safe to use on metal, and also on this inside part. I wouldn't use it on the outside part of my wheels. And it evaporates afterwards, so you don't need to dry it or you don't need to rinse it anymore. So yeah, this is how I clean my wheels. And yeah, if you have an apartment, a balcony, a basement and no water, this is something that you could use to clean the inside of your wheels before storing them in the winter. Now let me know how you do this. Do you use also a brake cleaner? Do you use something different? Is this safe? According to my research it is. Let me know, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Auf Wiedersehen.